Welcome back to KC Graphics. In this video, we are going to create a simple but creative birthday flyer. It's actually my birthday, that's 28th September. So let's box on. So I'm done creating my document. So the first thing I'm going to do is to bring in my text. So okay, I'll give a break. Birthday. So I'm actually going to increase the font size and okay, so I'm going to use Lustre Master. That's the font that I'm going to use, and the font style is going to be black. Okay, so let me reduce this a little bit. So the alignment here, I'm going to use left alignment. Okay, so after that, I'm going to tilt this. Okay, I think this is okay. I'm going to add an effect to this. So gradient overlay. So I'm going to use these two colors. Okay. I want the yellow to show more. So bring this closer. Okay, I think this is okay. So I'll actually add a stroke to it. I think the stroke is okay. Then I'll add some drop shadow effect. Okay, increase the stroke a little bit. Position this one. I think it's okay. So I'm done with my gradient birthday. So the portion here, the space here, I'm going to add this +1. We all know that birthday is a +1 to your age. So I think this is okay. Okay, so I don't know that it's a happy birthday, but I'm not going to use that word happy birthday. I'm going to change the font to Arabic. I'm going to do it glorious. So it's going to be glorious birthday instead of happy birthday. This. Okay, so this glorious birthday will be placed here, the top here, reduce size a little. Okay, position it all. This is what I want it to be. Okay, so I'm done with the font, glorious birthday. So the next thing I'm going to bring is the image. Okay, so I'm bringing this fine gentleman. Okay, so I'm going to change the brightness, and I really want it to be like this effect. So I'm okay with this. Match the brightness with this so that it won't have any effect on the design that I'm doing. So I'll reduce this, but then I'm going to erase down portion. So I'm going to reduce the hardness of the eraser to soft to 0. So you're gonna make it soft. So this is what I want. So I'm going to increase this a little, bring it down. Okay, that's fine. Have a duplicate of this, reduce it, and then place it at the back of the bigger one. Okay, I have another duplicate of this image, increase the size a little bit, move it. Okay, a little bit close. Okay, so the next thing to bring is other stuff to make the design look great. So I'm going to bring this flower, this sunflower, to my work. So I'm actually going to add an effect to it. So I'll go to filter, blur, then motion blur. Okay, so you can reduce it to your so I want it to be like this. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this just close. Yeah, okay. Have a duplicate of this, move it to the top a little bit. Okay. The next thing to bring is another one, which is actually a branch. Yeah, branch. Okay, so I want to take the white portion out. So just use magic eraser tool. So the same effect that was used on the sunflower, I'm going to use the same effect. So for me not to go through the same process by clicking on blur and motion blur, I'll just have this thing, and this is a shortcut, Alt Control F. So I'm okay with this. So I'm going to place this. Okay, place this here. Increase it. Increase the size. Okay, I have a duplicate of this, so I'm going to change. I'm going to flip it. Okay, move this. Just here. Okay. So I'm going to have a duplicate of this again. Zoom it. Okay, this is okay. So I want to place this. Let's zoom it again. Zoom it. Okay. Actually, I want to place this behind images here. So over here. Okay. Okay. So I think our design is looking pretty. Okay, so the next thing I want to bring is some stars, just to put it around the work. So I'm going to bring my star. Okay, this is my star. So reducing this. So I'm going to apply a color overlay. It's going to be this color. let me use this here. I think this is okay. Okay, so I have a duplicate of this one. Change the color to this. Okay. It's okay. So I have duplicate of this. Do a little charges, okay. Okay, just some touches. Okay. So duplicate of this here. Place it here. One here. One there. And something cool. So with the background, okay, let me just add something to the background. Okay, so I'm gonna use this as my background. Create it later. Create this later. Fine. So last two things is the date. That's 28th. Sorry. 28th September. Okay. So I'm gonna use Poppins. Do you see? Okay, give it space. Change the angle to, so I'm going to tilt it. Okay, tilt this. So I think this is okay. Place it here. Reduce opacity a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to have another font. I'll write my name, Kobe Coleman. Change the font to Moon Rising. Choose the tracking. Give it a size. Increase the tracking. Okay. Then place this here. Boom. So we've come to the end of today's video and hope you've learned something new. I didn't really take much time to design this, so it was just quick for me, just added some stuff. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share on this video. Thank you all.